After opening Movavi video editor, you just come here. There are numerous videos downloaded from the net, from these free sites, Pixabay, just for demonstration here that I'm going to use. Now, I just come to green screen here again. Look for the videos I want to use. Maybe use this one, and maybe also use. Let me use that one. That green screen there. Now, for you to have to remove your background from a video is that simple. You have to shoot it in a plain background. Normally green has been used for a long time because maybe many colors are not green. People don't wear green colors, well, green clothes. You can also shoot in a blue background or white. Now I can just put it in the timeline here. Now if I play, you see my background is green, just like that. Now I want to remove the background. What do I do? I'll just come to click here, more tools, then I'll look for something called, I'll come and choose these options here, then I'll look for something called Chroma Key. So make sure you click this down arrow and come to Chroma Key here. Then if you have this aspect here, all these options here with this something like an eyedropper, it is color green. So if I just come here, click it, come here and click here to remove the green background. Now the next thing I'm going to do, so that we see if it's okay, I'll come and look for the inbuilt backgrounds that they are there in Movavi. Movavi comes with inbuilt. Most of the time we'll download them from the, you'll just click and they'll download. Like right now I'm downloading these ones here. Now let's try this. I'll come and drag this one below here. Make sure this one is below here. Make sure this video is on top here, like that. You see the background, it has just assumed the background. It has just assumed this background here. I can also put this background here. I can also put this one here. You can see now I can easily change my backgrounds just like that. But you realize something is amiss with this. Some parts here are not okay. So you see this star here, you can always come back here and edit the effects. I just double click and it will take you to this option of Chroma Key. Just click here once and then you can always adjust by pulling this tolerance and noise so that they're able to change. Like if I pull this one here, maybe you'll see some changes there. But this one looks like a perfect video, so there's no much change. You can see the changes here. Now you can always do those changes, especially if you feel the video is not okay. It is that simple. Guys, subscribe to my channel. You can also like it and share. Have a nice day.